Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with the Right Way Options morning market prep video for June 8th. Well, looking at the market, we had an interesting little rally at the end of the day yesterday. You can see we had this little push back. If we go to an intraday chart, you can see right here in that we had a little bump in the market. We came back. Now that happened when there was a report that came out on the testimony of what's going to happen today in Congress, what's going to be talked about, and it was essentially revealed that James Comey isn't going to say anything that would be considered a smoking gun. Now that could potentially change, but that little bit of news actually popped us back up. There's a little bit of fear in the market that he could say something that is damaging to the presidency and of course throwing uncertainty into the mix. Now, there's a lot of news on the docket for today. On the economic calendar, we've only got our normal weekly claims. That's all there is. And there's 36 companies reporting earnings today, none of which are what you would consider to be market moving type reports. But the news of the day, we've got Parliament being decided in the UK, and the swing, however those seats land, there's concern that it could swing the whole idea. Will the Brexit supporters increase or will they decrease? How will that affect the whole setup over there? So there's some turmoil around that. There's also this morning Mario Draghi and the ECB making a decision over there on rates. And he has a speech this morning as well prior to the market open. And of course, that can always create turmoil in the market. But the big thing of the day will be that 10 a.m. we begin the James Comey circus is really what it's going to be. It's going to be probably an embarrassing circus that the world is watching as we flop around on these issues. And who knows what will come out of that. If something groundbreaking does come out of that, we can expect some big price actions. Now this morning, the futures are pointing to a positive open, a slight gap up open. That really is setting the stage ahead of big events like this, could be setting the stage for a lot of whipsaw or price action that is difficult to trade. So be really careful this morning. I plan to really just kind of sit on the sidelines, put my hands in my pocket. I'll be managing my current positions, but and I will be looking for new trades, but I'm going to wait until after some of this news starts to calm down, some of the emotion starts to bleed out, and then I'll wait for price to show me the path, the way. If price starts showing me that we're going to be bullish after that, great, I'm ready to trade. If it's going to be bearish after that, great, just as good, I'm ready to trade. But I'm going to be cautious ahead of that news, just to be prepared. I'm preparing for pretty much anything today as a result. So looking at this market, all we can tell right now is we're doing great things in that we broke out to new highs and we're holding it as support. We're holding trend. That is positive, that is bullish, and I want to stay with that bullish idea of the market. I just want to be extra cautious ahead of all of this news. The SPY doing the same thing, consolidating here, holding above trend, holding above price support. Everything is positive here for potential moves to the upside. But again, be cautious of the news. IWM, the Russell, not nearly as positive as everything else, but it is good news that it broke above this resistance, broke above this, and is holding so far in this area, giving us a platform to maybe push for new highs is a very good thing. So as long as it holds up here, I have to look at this chart right now as somewhat positive. It will be obviously much more positive if it breaks out of these levels. But holding support is a positive thing. So watching that, and also the Qs, extremely strong here, continuing to stay strong. Very positive price action here, holding these support levels, holding trend. And you can see a gap up open this morning is going to come put this really, really close to new record territory again. So watch closely if we start seeing any shifts or turns. You know, if you're a new trader, if you're a struggling trader, this morning is probably not for you. Pop some popcorn, put up your feet, turn on the circus and just watch. When it's over, we'll be able to trade, and hopefully we don't damage the market in the process of all of this this emotion and everything going on or surrounding these events. So that's my my recommendation for today is just be really, really careful this morning. Be cautious, be careful. Don't risk too much ahead of these kind of events. Be ready and prepared to react, but don't rush in a morning where we've got so many unknowns that's going to come at us and unfold in front of us so quickly. Okay. Again, economic calendar is really quiet except for jobless claims, and that happens every Thursday. Nothing is expected to change there. It would take a real surprise in that number to move the market. And then we have earnings today. There's about 36 companies reporting earnings, but again, none of them are expected to really move the market around much. For current Rightway option members, we're doing really well with our current positions. Let's just stick with those for now and watch this market closely. If you're new, learning or would like to learn more about hit and run candlesticks and Rightway options, please do me a favor. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and we'll make sure that you get plenty of information on a daily basis from Rightway options. You can visit us at www.hitandruncandlesticks.com. And also, if you're watching this on Facebook, please do me a favor and click the like button and the follow button so that you can be notified when I turn out more information. And there's daily videos, so lots of information to be had. Okay, everyone, have a great day, and I will talk to you all very soon. Rightway options members, our normal RWO class time will be right on time today, even though we're having a little bit of difficulty with our trading rooms today. It will be on time today. Okay, everyone, have a great day. Talk to you soon.